Are you looking for the latest hot-selling products? Here is last week's list of global Shopify sellers' weekly best-selling. All of these products, or similar ones, are available to source through the BuckyDrop platform. Check the product links in the comment if you are interested. Register on BuckyDrop now to get a dedicated account manager who will provide you with professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video with the latest hot-selling product recommendations. Thank you for watching.